Hey guys, and welcome back to another weekend review. Just wanted to give you guys a quick reminder that this is not financial advice. This is just my intake on the charts, and if my kind of analysis does give you more mental clarity towards the charts and does help you understand what's going on, then do head over to www.traderbook.co.uk, as there are limited spaces and we are doing courses there to help other people get accurate trades as well. So I'm just going to start off with the dollar index like I always do. Looking at this institutional candle that I did mention quite a while back, it has dipped into it quite a bit and we are seeing some bullish momentum. We could see it go into this institutional candle over here. However, if I just quickly jump down to our daily and show you guys something, we can see from quite a while back we had this support turn resistance, and if I just show you guys how that turned out, we did get the retracement up into that and strong resistance, and we had the bearishness. Now, I do feel like now that we're up into the bullishness, I feel like this is just another version of this. So I do feel like we are just going to come down to here. And we could just get it into this institutional candle over here. So we could come up and we could be coming down again. So I do expect price to come, to about 91.5 or maybe 92. I do feel like there is still a lot of bearishness for this pair, but I do feel like we do need a little bit of a correction before we do start heading down. Do feel like we could get under these lows, maybe could be heading down to the 88 and maybe lower. So that's just a quick thing on the dollar index. Now, looking at GBP USD, personally, I am taking a break, you could say, from this pair. I do feel like there is a lot of controversial ideas with this pair, meaning that it isn't exactly the best pair in terms of what's going on. Like, if I just show you guys on a daily, we're just getting a lot of choppy price movement. Not exactly something I like. But there was a good trade idea from last week, which I will show you guys. Obviously, we had this candle down, but if we just look, I went into this institutional candle. If we just take the wick, and if we just go into a 4-hour time frame, we can see how it came into an institutional candle and had a bullish run up. However, we can be more accurate with the daily institutional candle and look for a 4-hour institutional candle, which I'm just going to show you guys is this. So we could have got a 4-hour institutional candle entry point, and it could have been a more accurate entry, and we could have had a good bullish run of around 236 pips. So there was a chance to make some pips and profit from this trade, but personally, anything can happen with this pair at the moment. Even though anything can happen with anything in the market, I'm just not favoring this pair at the moment. Looking at Eurusd, I am currently in a trade on Eurusd, and I will go through Eurusd now. As we can see, we came into this institutional candle over here. Now, we did manage to come to the top of that institutional candle, kind of like a double top. So we did come into it, and I do feel like we are heading to this institutional candle here. We could be heading to that. So we are in this range now. If we had seen price move from here and saw kind of like this double top, I would say, and we saw this, we could have anticipated a reversal. So if I just jump down for you guys to our daily, these markings here are just transposed from the monthly time frame. So you can see how we are literally trading inside this range, and there are institutional candles within the bigger time frames. Now, jumping down to a 15-minute time frame, we can see, 1 hour time frame, we can see that we did break through. However, we did come down to break the structure of the market, broke this low, so break of structure, and we did come back up into this institutional candle, and on top of that, we did fail to make a higher high. So this would be another confirmation of a bear run. So we could have entered in numerous places within this pair. Me personally, I did enter over here. As we can see, this institutional candle right there. I did enter there during London session. And I did get another entry, which was over here. It was over here. So if I just show you guys on a 15-minute where my next entry was, again, this was during the New York session. So this entry wasn't London, it was actually during New York, which is at 1 o'clock. And there we go. So you could have had one entry there, which is equivalent to around 56 pips at the moment. And we could have had this other trade from here, which is about 139 pips. Now, my target is, if we just look at this 1.20114, that is a monthly institutional candle. So this is how we can understand the range we are trading in and still take intraday trades. So if we had understood from the higher time frame that we could be expecting some sort of correction, I would call this, to this institutional candle for another move up, we could have had some short trades taken to this level, and we could have took most of our profit out here, and we could have taken a long position and hedged our trade essentially. So for example, let's say we do get price coming down here and we do take a long and we get stopped out, our short positions are still open, covering for the loss we just took. But as I said, there is a lot more that is covered in the course. So I do recommend you guys do go over to www.traderbook.co.uk to get everything that's included in the course and a lot more detail within the charts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I look forward to posting another video next week. Hope you guys have a great day.